Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. And I already have one, but this one, as you can tell, comes with the box. And yeah, it is the Motorola Razr 2 on Alltel. Try not to damage the box while I do this, because don't really need the phone, just want the box. But I'll keep the phone as it's going to be matching numbers. So I have a LG USB micro USB charger, which you probably won't throw this on because it can fit. Well, it fits, but not for it. I think I have a regular Motorola charger I can put in it. Comes with all the books, all that stuff. That's pretty much it. Here's the phone itself. Alright, it's actually in really good shape. It's got a little scratch right there on the front display. Let's see, the cover goes right back in. Looks to be dead though. There we go, there's the battery. It's a little bloated, so that might be part of the problem. The battery probably doesn't hold a very good charge. There's a little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.